Some songs just hit different. You hear the opening riff and boom, you're fired up. That's exactly what happened to Damian Cole when he was in the gym just around St. Patrick's Day and Black Betty came on the radio. It got him thinking, what would that song taste like in a glass? Well, after 20 years of bartending across Belfast and beyond, and now hosting the Cocktail Academy podcast, Damian knows a thing or two about crafting a drink with personality. And this is Black Betty. And this is 17 cocktails for St. Patrick's Day. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. My name's the Rusty Bartender. Thank you to Damian for sending through this recipe. If you haven't already, go check out the Cocktail Academy podcast. His podcast is great and he's got heaps of videos going on over on Instagram if you want to check those out. I'll leave the links to those in the description below. But as Damian says, Black Betty, the song, is a banger and so is this drink. Let's get making it. It's a riff on a whiskey sour, so get excited, folks. I'm already excited. So this drink, you're going to need a whiskey that's been aged in stout barrels. We're using Jameson's today, the Jameson's Stout edition. If you don't have any of that, just use whatever Irish whiskey you've got. It's just not going to be as malty as using that whiskey. Couldn't get any words out of my mouth. That's because I've been drinking. You're also going to make a Guinness syrup. For this, easy, get a saucepan, empty 1 full can of Guinness and 1 cup of sugar, demerara sugar, and bring it to the boil. Make sure it's all nicely stirred. Then let it cool and put it in a bottle. Also, don't make the mistake that I made. When you've got it boiling, don't let it foam up and go all over the place like I did. I made a complete mess of my kitchen. My wife nearly killed me. Let's get making this drink. Grab a cocktail shaker. This brings me on to another little point too. The measurements of this recipe on Damian's video that I'm using. Obviously I'm originally from Belfast, but in Belfast a standard measure is 25 mils, whereas in Australia and USA it's 30 mils. So his whiskey sour is of the proportions using 25 mil measure. So I'm just going to slightly adjust those ratios to account for my 30 mil jigger. So we're going to start off by measuring 30 mils of lemon juice. If you're in the UK, it's okay to use your 25 mil measure for this one. Then we're going to go 30 mils of our Guinness syrup. Oh, nearly spilled that everywhere. We're then going to go 60 mils of our Jameson's Stout edition. It'll be 50 mils from the UK. You're losing 10 mils of alcohol there. On the other side of your tin, we're going to crack an egg and try and get the egg white out. Success, first time. We're going to add that to your shaker. And we're going to give that a little dry shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe, please. It exploded. Gotta love that. We're going to add ice to your shaker. Give this a nice shake so it's nice and cold. we're just gonna strain this on top of some nice hand flavored ice. Okay, and garnish for this one is just a couple of drops of chocolate bitters on top. Pretty is a picture. All right, folks, this is the Black Betty. Give us a little sip. Loving that, loving that. Obviously, it's a whiskey sour at its heart because of the Jameson Stout and the Guinness syrup. You're getting a lot of malty, dark, robust flavors coming from that. This is a banger. This is Whoa Black Betty, bam, lamb.